Hi, this is Cindy from Mayprince.com. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Hershey bar baby shower favor that looks like a baby boy or girl. For measurements and where to buy the required supplies to make this Hershey bar party favor, please click the link below in the description. Now let's get started. First, you will need a plastic pen. And second, you need a glue gun. Third, you need a baby socks, a baby face, which is I printed out and cut it, and some ribbons. It's about this long. As you can see, I'm making a baby girl baby shower favor, and a napkin, and of course a Hershey bar. I got the cookie and cream flavor. Now first you have to put the napkins in the middle, looks like a diamond shape, and then you put the Hershey bar in the middle, sort of like this. Try to fold the bottom part up and check on the left side to see if it folds all of them. If not, just adjust it a little bit. Okay, that's enough. So, and then I'm gonna put a little glue in here on the edge. And then next, I'm gonna fold the right side like this, and then put the baby face on here. And then fold the side up and turn it a little bit to adjust it. Okay, and then I'm gonna put a little bit of glue on the edge of this napkin. Okay. Next, we're gonna put the socks in. Make sure this part inside the socks, just like that. Okay, and next we're going to tie up the socks with a knot. And then do another one so it won't go loose. Okay, that's it. Well, of course, the pin. I gotta put the pin on this side like this. Put a little glue on here. And then a little bit on here. That's how to make a baby looking party favor. Of course, you can make a baby boy one. I will make some. So I'm just gonna put it over here. If you like this video, hit that like button and share it with your friends. For more baby shower party favors, hit the subscribe button, please. For measurements and required supplies, click the link in the description or go to mayprince.com. Thanks for watching. See you next time.